If you need to transfer ownership of a Telegram group, this video will walk you through the process step by step. This is especially useful if you're handing a community over to another admin, switching leadership, or just making sure the right person has full control of the group. Before we begin, there is one very important thing to know. Telegram only allows group ownership transfer if you have enabled two-factor authentication or 2FA more than 7 days ago, and if you have been logged into the current device for more than 24 hours. If you do not meet those requirements, the option may not appear. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Telegram tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram desktop app and select the group that you want to transfer. Make sure you are opening the correct group because the ownership transfer will give another member full control of the group. Once the group is open, click on the group name at the top of the chat window. This will open the group profile and show you the group details, members, and settings. Now look for the members section. Find the member you want to transfer ownership to, then right-click on their name. From the menu that appears, click Promote to Admin. Promoting the member is an important step because Telegram usually requires the person to be an admin before ownership can be transferred. After you promote them, open their admin permissions and make sure to enable Add New Admins. This permission is important because it helps confirm that the new owner will have full administrative control over the group. Once that is enabled, look for the option that says Transfer Group Ownership and click it. Telegram may ask you to confirm the transfer, and in some cases, it may require extra verification depending on your account security settings. Carefully review the prompt before confirming because once the ownership is transferred, the new owner will have the highest level of control over the group. After you complete the transfer, the selected member becomes the new group owner. At that point, you will no longer have ownership unless the new owner grants you a higher role again. If the transfer option does not appear, double-check that 2FA has been enabled for more than 7 days and that you have been logged in on the current device for more than 24 hours. Those two conditions are required by Telegram and are often the reason the feature is unavailable. And that's it. You've successfully transferred ownership of a Telegram group. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step Telegram guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.